Well, it's starting to snow. This is one of my favorite spots, car park. And yes, I'm in a van down by the river. Usually there's white caps all back here. Let's close this door real quick since it's getting a little wet. I guess I'll take this rainy, snowy day to show you my no-build van camper setup. As you can see, there's nothing built out in here. I just got the insulation, the sound dampening. It has the original factory cargo paneling. I really like the simple setup. I got the couch in here that fit perfectly between the wheel well and the back of the driver's seat. Got my cooler, clothes hamper, little foldable wood chair. Got a little trash bag, a little water, laundry detergent. This is all my camping supplies in here. This is my toiletries. This is just a little trash can. I keep hand sanitizer and wipes, extra soap. Skateboard, my ladder to get up on the roof. It's one of those collapsible ladders. Got my little Mr. Buddy. It's been colder. Sometimes I turn that on, really just to sit on the couch, put my feet in front of. Got my little camp table, aluminum. It folds up, packs down into a little bag, so it's not there all the time, but since I'm having coffee. That's really it. I mean, under the couch, I got my camp stove, clothes. The couch does fold down, so I can slide it out a little bit. It folds down and, you know, into a fuller setup. But honestly, I don't find that uncomfortable sleeping on it like that. Most people would find that uncomfortable, but while I was living in Seattle, I actually had some studios that I lived in, and I just slept on it like that. Behind the couch, I got some boots and my sleeping bag, blanket for at night. So yeah, I just put this little pillow down, put my sleeping bag out, and lay down. There's just enough space. Here's the cab. Got my little camp light charging. And at night, to save my batteries, I hang this up. And have that. Right now, these lights are on. And these kind of drain the battery pretty quickly, so yeah, at night, this is the setup. I got a little behind the chair storage. Not a bad view though, especially when the mountains are right here. BLM land. And the road just goes right past. So yeah, that's my non-build camper setup. Just got some stuff here and a couch. That's all I need. I'll hop out and show you the outside real quick. So I got my bike rack back here. On top of the roof, I got a box. Up there's my climbing gear and water sport stuff, my PFD, my paddles. In the winter, I put my snowboard stuff in there. Up here, I got the board and surfboard mounts. And those are the sup dogs from Yakima. They have a little lock so you can actually lock it. It's a metal cable, so keep people from stealing. It's 2017 144 wheelbase 4x4 Sprinter. I've had it for about 2 years or so, and I'll probably be hanging out here in the summer, this summer, and just enjoying it. And I think I'm gonna sell it come fall. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll put my information in the details below. The whole thing's insulated. The floor is insulated and sound dampened. All the walls, the ceiling. That's actually the insulation there. It just doesn't have any paneling over it. It's Thinsulate insulation, so it's fleece. So it's really good for mold prevention. So if you're in the Pacific Northwest, it's really good for that. It also has a fire rating, so it doesn't catch flame very easy. But yeah, thanks for checking it out.